Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley and today is a special day because y'all have seen me go to all the stores. I went to TJ Maxx, Ross, Burlington, Home Goods, Kohl's, Michael's, Target, Dollar Tree. Went to all the stores and I bought all this stuff. I done spent all my monies, all Dre's money. And I bought all this stuff and now it's time to actually decorate. So today we are going to talk about what I did to the outside of our house. So I did have a few things on the porch already. We did have these two gray rocking chairs that I bought from Target. We had like this black and white rug and we had a black table. I'm leaving all of those things, but anything that was decorating it previously, I'm gonna just clean that up and move some of the candles that I had outside. Then, of course, you guys seen my previous video about how I made my custom Halloween doormats. So this doormat, while it's cute, this welcome doormat, she's gotta go. And of course, I had to get the muscle, aka Dre, out there to bring all of these supplies, all of the things that I separated to put outside. I used these big rubber tubs that I think I got this one from Target, and I just store all of our holiday things. So I have a huge one with Christmas is packed to the brim. I think it's spilling over into another bin. And then this one has Halloween and fall decor in it. So one of the first things I want to talk to you guys about is planning. So I went to the store, I bought all this stuff, but one thing that I do before I start actually decorating a space is I generally take a picture, and I do have some photos of the front of the house just because we've been doing the renovation. I took one of those photos, uploaded it to Canva, and then I used that photo to place all of the individual parts. So I went on my first shopping trip, came home, placed all of the items, and then I realized, oh, I need one more of these bronze jack-o'-lantern planters. And then I realized that there was something missing along the top of the post. And so that's where I came up with the idea for the ghost. Having this plan really helped me figure out like, okay, these are the things I bought. Let me see where I can put them. And then from here, where are the gaps where I still need to buy things so that I'm not just buying a whole bunch of stuff that doesn't go together or that it doesn't have a place. So outside on the porch, once I got rid of all the things that we weren't going to use in this design, I actually got the leaf blower and I just blew all of the mulch that blew up onto the porch, all of the dirt and all the, the stuff. I just blew that off into the grass and just to give us a clear, clean slate to work with. I started off putting the wreath on the door. I bought this silver wreath holder from the thrift store and it was such a good price, which is why I bought the silver one, but I actually am thinking about painting it the same color as the door so that it just blends in and you can't really see it. But for now, it's silver. And this pumpkin wreath, I told you guys about my vision for this in the last video in the shopping haul, but I am going to do some more things to it, but for now we're just hanging up the wreath. Then I just couldn't help myself because I knew this doormat was going to give me the vibes. It was going to set the tone. I went ahead and put the buffalo checker plaid, whatever you want to call it, doormat at the bottom, and then I layered it with the ghost doormat that I custom made. So now it's time for one of my favorite pieces in this whole Halloween porch decor situation. I love these jack-o'-lantern planters because really they're not planters, they're just like pails, they're decorative, but as soon as I saw them I knew I wanted to put plants in them. So I bought these mums and I actually went to Sam's Club because I knew that they had mums, and those mums were $17.99, and I was just like, I couldn't commit on a color. And then once I realized I was really going for a black, white, gray, and orange theme, I knew that I wanted to get the like burnt orange color mums. So I just happened to be going to Food Lion and they had mums and they were $7. So I was like, I'm really glad that I didn't buy the ones from Sam's Club because that's $30 that I saved because I bought 3. So I just took the mum and the pot that it was planted in and just set it down directly inside of the jack-o'-lantern pail. So to go along with the entryway door setup, I actually put the spooky sign, the lanterns, and the cinnamon broom with it. Next, I wanted to set up the table, which this table normally has like a citronella candle on it, but I knew I wanted to do like a little, you know, spooky display. So I put this orange trick-or-treat cauldron and the black stems that I got from IKEA, and I just sat those on this table, and I thought it was cute, but I really felt like I was missing something. So I went back and fixed that later. Next, I was really excited to put out my skeleton. I thought he was so cool, and he makes noise, but I turned that off because I don't want to be sitting in my office, which is right on the other side of this window here, and I don't want to just like hear it because a squirrel ran by. That would probably freak me out. So we'll just turn it on for Halloween, but he is so cool. Now in this video, you will see me just sit him in the chair, but I actually did zip tie him to the chair. You know, Halloween brings out some mischief, and I didn't want anybody to steal my skeleton, so I zip tied him to the chair, so hopefully we won't have no problems. So fast forward to the next day, I went to the Dollar Tree and bought these ghosts, and you'll see me here putting them up, and I just put one at the top of each post just for some balance, some symmetry. While I was at the Dollar Tree, I bought some of this like faux spider web and put that all over the wreath and put the spiders that came with it all throughout the spider web. Then I put the rest of the spider webs on the table, and I feel like that's exactly what that table was missing. So I basically pulled the spider web apart, draped it across the table, and then I bought some of the, I guess they just call it spooky fabric, and draped that on top. And then I made like a pile of the spider web and just sat it on underneath the bowl or the cauldron. It kind of looked like snow to me underneath the cauldron, but it also worked. So that's what I did. Also at the Dollar Tree, they had these skeleton hands, and they're supposed to be serving utensils, but I just popped them in that cauldron as well, and it just looks like hands are coming out of the pot. So I thought it was cute. So this is what the porch was looking like at this point, and I thought it was so cute. I think it was so balanced, and I loved how the colors were working together. The orange complemented the door color because I was actually kind of worried about that. I felt like it wasn't gonna go with the vibe, but I think it just really complemented each other, and I thought it was cute. And then I didn't talk about this earlier, but I had this spider. It's like, and when it detects the motion, it drops down and then it comes back up slowly, and I thought that was cute. But I figured it would be one of those like spooky elements to scare people when they come to my door. So after I did all that decorating, I still went to Target, and they had this orange pumpkin skeleton, and I needed it so bad. You guys comment below what I should name my skeletons. I feel like for sure they need names. Like, they have to have names. They can't not have names. So I bought that one and placed it in the rocking chair next to the black skeleton, and I think it was perfect. It was exactly what I needed for the patio. So here are just some final shots of what the front of the house looks like. There are a couple more things that need to go out there, the directional sign, but that is going to be a DIY project, and it's probably going to be the next video that I upload, so be looking out for that. So let me know what you think about our decorations in the comment section below. Let me know if there's anything that you did to your house that you were really excited about, or anything that you really were interested in that I did. Let's talk about it. So once again, thank you guys for the support. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys in my next upload. I hope you guys are having a good day on purpose.